That's a big number. 20,000 cases as of now in Philadelphia, 20,132 according to the health department. The good news is that day after day, the number of new infections continues to drop.
Tuesday, Philadelphia's health commissioner said he was encouraged by the dropping number of new coronavirus cases, but warned the road to reopening Philadelphia is a long one. According to state guidelines, the city would need to average just 56 new cases a day to move to the first reopening phase. Right now, we're hovering around 200.
How close is Philadelphia from meeting the state-required guidelines to move into the first phase of reopening?
Well, you said a couple of weeks. I didn't say a couple of weeks. I haven't put a timeline on it. I am saying that we are making a lot of progress.
The city is averaging similar numbers of new COVID-19 cases as it did in late March, as the city passed 20,000 cases total. The mayor said the city jail and juvenile justice center will begin testing every inmate, whether symptomatic or not. Across the city, there are now 47 testing sites, but the health commissioner says only 1,500 people a day are taking tests. That's not even halfway to the 5,000 he'd like to see tested every 24 hours.
Why
I
can't
don't think we have enough supplies to get to 5,000 a day now. We definitely have enough supplies to increase from where we are now. I mean, each day we're getting a little more access. And it's also dependent on how many people come to our test sites.
How underestimated right now do you believe that 20,000 positive case count is?
Well, we know that many people have this infection and don't have any symptoms at all. And so we would not have been testing those people in general. And other people have mild symptoms or earlier on couldn't be tested at all. And so that 20,000 is clearly just a fraction of the total number of people who got the infection. I don't know whether it's a third or a fifth, but it easily could be a fifth. It could be that 100,000 people or more in the city that actually had the infection.
And there are some other good signs about fighting COVID-19 in Philadelphia. The city's reporting fewer and fewer COVID-19 related deaths day after day. It's also seeing fewer hospitalizations. The health commissioner said that right now there are just 619 patients being treated in Philly hospitals with the COVID-19 infection. That's the latest from Philadelphia. I'm Mitch Blacher, NBC10 News.